Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Pro MP275QPDG docking monitor for enhanced office productivity. So friend, MSI has announced Pro MP275QPDG serve a comprehensive docking station featuring a Type-C port that manage power delivery, data transmission, and display function, and this design minimal cable clutter promoting or organized workspace with 98-watt power delivery, and the monitor can charge connected device with simultaneously driving the display, maximizing functionality with fewer cables, and additionally the monitor support daisy chaining, allowing users to expand their workspace by connecting a second monitor via the display port. And this feature addresses common issues such as a limited I/O port or PC, inefficient cable length, featuring a more flexible and scalable workspace configuration. So friend, the monitor feature a complete docking station featuring Type-C port that handle power delivery, data transfer, and display output, and this reduce cable clutter, promoting a tidy workspace with 98-watt power delivery, and the monitor can charge connected device while running the display and offering maximum functionality and fewer cables, and additionally the support daisy chaining, inefficient cable length, facilitating a more flexible and scalable workspace configuration, and the monitor include inbuilt LAN port to ensure stable internet connectivity during docking operations, and the integrated Full HD webcam and speakers offer a combined solution for virtual meeting, eliminating the need for external accessories. And the monitor also features a KVM switch, enabling users to switch between multiple connected devices using a single keyboard and mouse, and simplifying multi-device workflow. Picture in picture and picture by picture mode enhance multitasking by allowing simultaneous display of content from two sources, and the ergonomic design incorporate eye care technology to reduce blue light emission and screen flicker, and supporting extended use with minimal eye strain. Adjustable height, tilt, swivel, and pivot option ensure user can maintain a comfortable posture, contributing overall ergonomics. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.